Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Monday.com automation bot detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Monday.com automation bot, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the workspace where the automation is set up. Click on the Automations tab located at the top of your board. This will display all the current automations associated with the board. Identify the specific automation that uses the bot you want to uninstall. Hover over the automation to reveal options. Click on the three-dot menu icon beside the automation you wish to remove. Select the Delete option from the drop-down menu. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete this automation. Confirm your choice by clicking on Yes or the equivalent option in the pop-up. The automation bot will now be uninstalled from your board. To ensure everything is working smoothly, review your board for any remaining automation tasks. If necessary, remove any additional automations similarly by repeating the previous steps. You can also navigate to the Integrations section to check for any linked services that may need to be updated. That completes the uninstallation process. Your board is now free from the Monday.com automation bot. Feel free to create new automations or adjust existing ones as needed. This ensures that your workspace is tailored to your current needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.